If you just joined the gym, listen carefully, because 90% of beginners make one mistake on day one, and it kills their progress for years. And no, it's not improper form. It's not diet. It's not even overtraining. You're training like someone who's already strong, instead of someone who's trying to get strong. Let me explain. Most people walk into the gym on day one and copy what the strongest guy is doing. Heavy bench, too many sets, fancy machines they don't understand. And then after 2 weeks, no results. Everything hurts, and motivation disappears. This happens because beginners focus on working out, not building up. There's a difference. Working out equals burning yourself. Building up equals stacking strength slowly, correctly, permanently. What you should do instead. The first 4 weeks in the gym should be about one thing. Building your base. Your base equals perfect form, stable joints, learning movement patterns, and teaching your brain how to activate muscles properly. Because when you master the basics, you build muscle 10 times faster later. So what does a real day one beginner plan look like? Simple. The perfect beginner blueprint. Start with 5 movements. 1. Push-ups or machine press. 2. Pull, lat pull down or rows. 3. Hinge, Romanian deadlift with light weight. 4. Squat, body weight or goblet squat. 5. Core, planks or cable crunches. That's it. No arm day, no chest day, no fancy cable tricks. Do 3 sets of each. Use light weight, dial and form. Increase weight slowly every week. You don't need a program. You need consistency and progression. If you skip the basics, you'll stay a beginner forever. If you master the basics, you'll transform in months. So on day one, don't try to be strong. Try to be smart. Your future physique will thank you.